And welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speaker. I know you are wondering about this question in your mind. You are searching the videos on YouTube, so don't worry, I'm here to help you. But one promise I want from you that you will be positive with the journey of English speaking. English is very easy, my friend, and it is very important. If you want to grow in your life, you want to get a job in corporate sector, or you want to move to overseas studies or a jobs in overseas companies or countries. It all depends upon you. As much as you will work on your English, you will grow. Because when you start working on a specific skills, so you grow. But what is need to grow? In case of the English, you need vocabulary. Yes, you need a good command over vocabulary. And for vocabulary command, I am your friend, your coach to help you a lot in your English speaking journey. For this, I have amazing book for you, Word Power Made Easy. We are doing the vocabulary exercises in our YouTube channel. So, let's start today's video with some interesting words. The word for the day is autonomous, acting independently. The West Coast office of the law firm was quite autonomous. It never asked the East Coast office for permission before it did anything. Okay? Avarice, next word, avarice. Greed, excessive love of riches. The rich man's avarice was annoying to everyone who wanted to lay hands on some of his money. A vow to declare boldly. At the age of 25, Louis finally avowed that he could not stand his mother's apple pie. Nuclear, like an uncle, especially a nice uns on sea. What's an uncle like? Kind, helpful, generous. Next word, ovary. Twisted to one side. The hunter's bullet went ovary instead of hitting the bear. Axiom. Next word, self-evident, widely accepted. Everything that is living dies in axiom. Banal. You can pronounce banal or banal or banal. Unoriginal, ordinary. The dinner conversion was so banal that Amanda fell asleep in her desert. Bane. Now the word is bane and the pronunciation is same, bane. Poison, torment. Bane means poison, but the word is usually used figuratively. Basin, basin. We can use basin, stronghold. Mrs. Garrett classroom is a basin of banality. So we have done the words for the day. Now the time for advice. Yes, I would like to tell you one advice which is very important for you. What is required when you speak in English? It is confidence, fluency, what? First, your confidence is very important because if you have the confidence that I can speak, so you will definitely going to speak. But you have to think in your mind that you can speak positively. What you think about yourself, the others will think same. So think that you can speak in English or you are a good English speaker. People will also love to listen that because we have the vibration and vibration goes in the universe. So just think that you are a marvelous English speaker. You can speak English like no one else. So just think in your mind and speak up. Speak with your friends or make your own videos. Second thing, listen English media every day. Because if when you will watch someone, some other person like CNN or BBC News channel reporters, when you will watch them while speaking in English, you will also think that if they can speak in English, so I can also speak in English. It is a motivation. But motivation is one thing, but if you will be consistent that you can speak in English, so you will definitely going to be speaking English. Another thing is very important, reading exercise. Don't think that reading is just a casual work. When you will start reading English newspaper regularly, you will improve. Your confidence will improve, your fluency will improve, your overall personality will improve, because your knowledge will expand. You are expanding your knowledge. You will get the words, you will get the news, you will get the knowledge about the share market, everything, because newspaper have the categories. You will get to know about the what is happening in the world political, what is happening in the geopolitical. So you will get all the news from the newspaper. Newspaper is a very very good thing if you are learning English. So I hope you like the video of today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.